Hello guys, welcome to 3D Coffee Shop. My name is Paulo and today I'm going to show you how to design this vase. The intention of this video is to show you how to create this vase in my noob perspective. This will be the way I used to design this kind of thing. You can use your creativity. Each one of you will have your own creativity to design the body and with the crazy lines. I will show you one method, so you cannot create just parallel lines like this, but also crossing. So first things first, look here and then create a sketch with the main body vase dimensions. So you can just come here 180 and by, I don't know, maybe 120 or 150 should be fine. Yeah. Then I use again the rectangle here, create a rectangle on the bottom. This will be the internal base of the vase. Okay. After that is where you go to create the body shape, the vase shape. So I go into the middle here and then I create the body as I want, just like that. That's okay. So I press ESC and I just modify a little to be a little more curvy. This one increase the diameter, push up, and then it's okay. Yeah, for me it's fine. So let's press ESC again, do not come out from the sketch, and then we create two offset lines. The first will be the thickness of the vase. So you create this, and then all this profile will be the thickness of it. But you need to close the bottom, the top here. To close the top, I just create a line here following the line, the sequence of the line here, and then we come back again and create another offset. This offset will be the rib that we're going to create around the part, the body. Okay, you can just create this. Finish sketch, and that's it. So now in the videos on YouTube, you used to see the guys revolving all these portions. So I will do differently. I will select this, and then I will revolve only this portion. In this way, we have the vase already empty inside. This will help a lot because sometimes when you create a shell, you have a problem on the creation. Good. So next, what we're going to do, you need to create two lines, one line in fact. So you need to come here and create a sketch on top of it and create a line from the center to here. You can go 165. In fact, the distance doesn't matter. What is more important is the angle. So you can go in the angle, let's say press tab 150. Okay, and that's it. Now what we're going to do, show all the sketches, and you have this line and this line. So you want to create a sketch, you can select here, and then you make sure that 3D sketch is enabled, and then you create a line from here to the baseball. That's it. Done. Now you're going to surface, create a loft from this line to the bottom line, and then create this plane. If you define more angle here, this plane will be more stretched. Okay, and then you come here, right click, thicken, and then you put like is already set here. I put 4 millimeters to create this plane into here. As you can see, we create the plane. Now, what do you want to do? Go back to solid, revolve. So which profile you're going to revolve? So you're going to revolve this profile, that's the rib, and then the axis will be the center axis. But as you can see, you are cutting. We don't want that. We want to intersect, and then boom. When you intersect, you will see that we come with this body, okay? And then you can select here, and yes, you can come with this, and then you can just select all the corner lines and put like 2 millimeters. I don't know if it's going. No, you need to select 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is fine, and you have this rib. Now, what you're going to do? Define the full design of the vase. So I would like to make this body and create a mirror of this body, following this profile, this plane. Okay, so you have this shape. Now, what you're going to do? You're going to select this body, okay, and then create a circular pattern around the bone. I have already set here 35, and that's it. Okay, now you have all these parallel lines. It's already nice. There is already, let's say, you can consider this okay. But now, if you do the same with the other, then select here, boom. Look how nice is that. So you can go crazy with the design and do whatever your imagination wants, or your wife wants, or your daughter wants. So you can create the design you want in this way. The only thing you need to do now is, because let's do a section analysis here following this profile, because as you can see, the bottom here, I mean the ribs is ending following the internal bottom. So you can just select this, press Q, and include 3 more millimeters on the top. That's it. And then you can just come and select the body, the inner body of the vase, and select a plane, this plane. Okay, cut, and that's it. So in this way, you have the full base of the vase following the ending of the ribs, and that's it. You can see now is done. So if your 3D printer have capability of printing 2 colors or more, like today EMS systems have a lot of colors, so you can print the ribs in 1 color and then the vase body in another color. If your machine do not have this capability, like mine, I print all in once, but it's already really nice shape. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave comments, and see you in the next one. Bye.